Today we have come to know that never in the history of in Goa Legislative Assembly was ever a budget committee meeting ever held. So we have started a trend, any which case, because we have been elected by the House. Basically gave us the this that they are tied up with 15 Finance Commission and therefore they don't have the information. I asked them simple things, that what is the allocation to all departments? What is the utilization of all departments? Whether there is any sanction which is pending, which is already approved in the budget. Because finance sends files back saying there is no funds. If the fund was earmarked for that particular purpose, where is the question of rejecting it by finance department? So Ashok Khunjo cases are, त्यो आमकां सांग. Then we have asked whether staff salaries are being paid through loans taken by the government. सरकारान नवे recruitment declare केले हा 5,000 जॉब दितले म्हणून. Whether a budgetary provision is done for this recruitment. आणि reappropriation जाला काय म्हणून. Reappropriation म्हणजे कितें? हे डिपार्टमेंटाक पैसे दिल्ले. ताजे थंय म्हणूंकूच ना ते काडून थंय म्हणले. अशे कितले केसी जाल्या. They don't have this information. Budget म्हणून तांचे एक डिविजन आसता. तातूंतली आशिल्ली ती. But she is completely unprepared. See, the history itself is she has never been called by anybody in the past. So ती आनी कितें करतली तुका? ती पयलींच दा आयल्या म्हणून ती अशी सारकी अशी म्हळ्यार आबूज जावन आयिल्ली ती.
काही कमिटीचे फंक्शनूच खबर आसता.
कोणाकूच कांय खबर ना तें. पळोवया न्ही 5 तारखेक टायम दिला तांकां. We have said we expect the budget, the new budget to be presented on Thursday. So on Wednesday, which is the 5th, we said we want to have another meeting where we want all this information.
But do you think that the government is being accountable when 1 week before the budget they don't have their data on how much they spend?
When you have 27, accountability is a word that goes out of the political lexicon. Why did they manufacture 27? For the very reason that they don't want to be accountable. 2020 in Goa is played like a 2020 match. Everything is new. Goa, this is the new Goa. The new Goa that this government wants to create is this new Goa. We have a police being beaten up by people. We have a minister being extorted by somebody else. We have a Nakli minister coming and taking our hospitality. So this is the new Goa. That is what we have in store in 2020. Wherein one minister, one MLA, that to a lady, unfortunately, is being abused and called a Portuguese. And the official party, the ruling party, doesn't say anything about it. The ruling party, if I was in the ruling party, I would have made that fellow kneel down and say sorry to her.